Welcome in to Bollywood here in Mumbai for match 51. Here, huge Viva IPL for 2017, the 10th edition, and the Mumbai Indians hosting the Kings 11 Punjab here at Wankhede. The crowd always love this. And here we go, Hardik with a bit of shape. And straight away, Gapel says, I'll have a piece of you. Boundary off the very first one. Oh, you've got to take those, do you? It was always going out. Harbhajan Singh. Maybe got a fingertip on it. And that is sweet as. The flick and a bit of wrist work with one bounce for four. Up and over. Yes. Bang. Maximum.
And he's getting plenty of tap tonight as well. So here's Bumrah. Oh, four more. That's a good strike. He's picked his spot nicely. Down the ground. Goes again. That's up in the air. And nicely taken. He's got such a good pair of hands, Hardik Pandya. Oh, cheeky. Oh, how good is that? How good is that? Oh, that's good strike. Maxwell goes back. And a yes bank maximum. Six.
Maxwell. Hello. In a hurry. Oh, it's a skimmer. And ooh, that was sweet as. They played it beautifully bowled. Castled Maxwell. Talking of an edge, this isn't. This has been fatted beautifully. And what a way to bring up a half century from Saha.
Out to the pitch of the ball, but he's gone through with this shot. Marsh it is this time. The fielder's not even bothering to look at the ball. Slow delivery, boom, it goes. Picked it up early. Slow delivery, here you go. Out of here. This is a miscue. Partha Patel wants it. And takes it in the end. Much needed here. Protection in the deep. But it's really well placed by Wriddhiman Saha.
Over mid off. Excellent placement. He really is hitting it sweet. Now there's a man in the deep. A good diving effort. Nitish Rana doesn't come up with the catch. And swung away on the onside. He gets six. Top edge. Short of Partha Patel. As he got it on the helmet. Last ball. Oh, what a hit that is. He's got underneath that and hit it a long way. So he finishes off with six, Akshar Patel. And a good finish here for Kings 11 Punjab. 230 for three from their 20. So there you go. When the Mumbai Indians come to bat, they need to get a record score. 231 to get from their 20 overs.
With a little bit of wrist work early. Oh, hello. Yeah. Right on cue. Third man's up, but I tell you what, that is stylish to the max. FBB stylish player with a bit of Caribbean flair.
Full driven and will race away. Up in the air. One bounce four. Cross to the offside and launched. Up and over. See you later. Well, he's gone up and over. Will it be caught? Yes, no! It's been dropped. Sharma, he had it. He had it in his hands. Well, that is beautiful. 50 up for Lendl Simmons. What an innings it's been. That is even bigger. That is monstrous.
Very cheeky, very effective, and that's the way Partha Patel plays. For more, is poor bowling. This should be taken. Yes, it is. Lots of young talent. Catches the call. Oh, would you believe it? That's the Weaver perfect catch. Martin Guptill. Should be just a single, looking for two and going for it. Oh, missed opportunity at the non-strikers end. There was an easy opportunity for a run out. Ishan Sharma behind the stumps. Half tracker hasn't got the middle of the bat. And a simple catch this time. So the leg spinner striking, not the greatest of deliveries. And it's a big one. Rohit Sharma, a man dismissed.
Now, another one in the deep. Guptill takes his third catch. That's in the air and it's long. Very long. This time it's Pollard, same direction. That's six. That's one. Into the crowd. Another one. This time over square leg. Oh, lovely hit. What a shot that is from Hardik Pandya. Another one. Full toss. Parked into the crowd.
Edge, is it taken? Is this a cracker? Super Sandy Sharma back in the thick of it. No one's going to stop Pollard power, baby. This one has gone into the crowd. Bit of work and a bit of pumpage. It's been palmed over by Maxwell. Scythed away. Got him! Silences the crowd here to somewhat. Wow. Solo one. And kaboom! Final delivery. Oh, and it's another cracking Yorker. It's 50 to Kieran Pollard, but it's victory to those in red, and look what it means to the owners. Pollard and the Mumbai Indians with their best ever tally in IPL history. 2-2-3 for 6. Not good enough. Credible when they were going for it. Pollard, you thought he was going to take them over the line. In the end, they're truly short. Kings 11 posted 230 for 3, having been asked to bat first. Saha, Maxwell, Guptill, brilliant. And then in reply, Mumbai, 2-2-3 for 6 in their 20. And, Simmons, Pollard, half centuries. Parthiv not quite at the 38 from 23 deliveries. But in the end, the Kings 11 do it by 7 runs.